want to round up a number in a cell, and we don't want to do something like equals round up equals this cell, and then have it in another column. We don't want to do that. We want it in the same column, in the B column. Let's do this. Go to extensions app script. Let's rename this to roundup. We're going to create a function onEdit. We're going to put a little event here inside of the parentheses, do those curly brackets. And then we need a variable range to know where we are on the sheet, e.range or event.range. Then if range.getColumn is equal to 2, because we're in the second column. If you change the column you want to be in, change this 2 to something else. And range.getRow is greater than 1 because we want to make sure we're not editing the header row. If those are true, then we want to edit our range that we're in. So range.setValue. We use capital M-A-T-H, Math.ceil. That's ceiling. We're going to put our value in there. That value is going to be variable value equals event.value. That is the value of the cell. If we're deleting that cell's value, then we want to go here, event.value. Make sure that there's something there because we don't want to round up if there's no actual value. So let's go see. Let's go to 412. Rounds up to 5. 3.1415926. There you go. 4. So it's rounding up no matter what we do. 7.11111. Got 9.01. Pretty cool, right? It's rounding all the way up to a round number. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. You have 2 options here for your next video. Before you go, comment down below if you have any question whatsoever, and I'll make future videos from those questions. But for right here, right now, one of these videos could be your next Google Sheet.